CVMC, ECE, NMMC, EEE, Unit 3, Multiple Integrals, Lesson 4, Problem 8. Evaluate double integral over R xy dx dy, where R is the region bounded by x-axis, ordinate x is equal to 2a and the curve x square is equal to 4ay. Solution: x-axis, ordinate x is equal to a means x is equal to 2a line is parallel to y-axis. X square 4ay is parabola. Given x square is equal to 4ay is a parabola symmetric about y-axis. Diagram: this is x square is equal to 4ay parabola. This is x is equal to 2a line parallel to y-axis. This point is 2a 0. So x-axis, x is equal to a ordinate parabola. So this is the required region R, dotted region R. In the given problem, no limits are there. We have to find limits. So take an elementary strip parallel to y-axis. Take an elementary strip parallel to y-axis. Suppose taking a elementary strip parallel to y-axis, we integrate this one first with respect to y and then with respect to x. Suppose taking elementary strip parallel to x-axis like this, we have to integrate this one first with respect to x and with respect to y. Do as you like. So taking elementary strip parallel to y-axis, on x-axis here y is equal to 0. Here y, this is parabola equation. This y value x square by 4a. So y limits 0 to x square by 4a. Y limits. X limits, moving the strip like this to cover the dotted region, moving the strip along x-axis like this. X limits are 0 to 2a. Here y limits are 0 to x square by 4a. X limits are 0 to 2a. 0 to 2a. I is equal to integral 0 to 2a integral 0 to x square by 4a xy, first with respect to y. So dy dx is equal to integral 0 to 2a x constant y integration integral x power of n dx formula x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So integral y means y power 1 plus 1. So y square by 2. y square by 2, 0 to x square by 4a dx, to 0 to 2a x into, for substitute upper limit, instead of y you write x square by 4a, y square is there, so x power of 4 by 16 a square, already 2 is there, into 2, minus lower, substituting lower limit, instead of y 0, minus 0 need not write, dx 1 by 32a square into 0 to 2a x into x power of 4, x power of 5 dx 1 by 32a square integral x power of 5, applying same formula, x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula, 5 plus 1 x power of 6 by 6, 0 to 2a 1 by 32a square, upper limit 2a whole power 6, 64, 2 power 6, 64, a power 6 by 6. So 32 here 2 times, 2 here 3 times. A square also cancel, a power 4. So a power 4 by 3. Problem 9. Evaluate into 0 to 4 into 0 to x square e power y by x dy dx. Solution I is equal to integral 0 to 4 integral 0 to x square. Here x is there, opposite variable is y. So first we have to integrate with respect to y. E power y by x dy dx into 0 to 4 e power x integration e power x, e power ax integration e power ax by a. In similar manner, this integration is e power y by x by y by x derivative 1 by x dx. So 0 integral 0 to 4. This is substitute up upper limit. We have to write 0 to x square limits here. Now 0 to 4, substituting upper limit e power x square by x, 1 by x becomes x into e power x square by x square minus e power 0 dx into 0 to 4 x into e power x minus 1 dx to 0 to 4 x e power x dx minus integral 0 to 4 x into 1 x dx. Apply chain rule, chain rule, write x first, integral e power x minus x derivative 1, again integral e power x is e power x 0 to 4 minus integral x square by 2 0 to 4 x square by 2 0 to 4. Upper limit 4 e power 4 minus e power 4. Instead of x you write 4 minus lower limit x 0 minus e power 0 1 minus here 4 square 16 by 2 8 minus 0. So 4 e power 4 minus e power 4, 3 e power 4 minus and minus plus 1 minus 8. So 3 e power 4 minus 7. Problem 10. Evaluate double integral x plus y dx dy over the region in the positive quadrant, bounded by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Solution. Given ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. From this, y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square. Y square is equal to b square by a square. Taking LCM, after taking LCM we get this step. Y is equal to plus or minus b by a root over a square minus x square. So first positive quadrant means we have to take y value positive. So y is equal to b by a root over a square minus x square. Positive quadrant. Y positive. Y is positive. So y limits are 0 to b by a root over a square minus x square. Put y is equal to 0 in above ellipse, we get x square by a square is equal to 1. X square is equal to a square. X is equal to plus or minus a. So positive quadrant. So take x is equal to plus a. X limits are 0 to a. X limits are 0 to a. So observe the diagram also. This is your ellipse. Positive quadrant of the ellipse means you have to take this one only. X, 0, a, b. Take elementary strip parallel to y-axis. Here y is equal to 0. Y is equal to plus b by a root of a square minus x square. Positive quadrant. Moving the strip to cover the dotted region. 0 x limits along x-axis. X limits are 0 to a. So I is equal to into 0 to a integral 0 to b by a root over a square minus x square x plus y first with respect to y dx. Integral 0 to a x constant integral dy y dy integration y square by 2 0 to b by a root over a square minus x square dx. 0 to a, substitute upper limit x into b by a root over a square minus x square plus y square. So b square already 2 is there, 2a square, square root cancel, a square minus x square dx. Now separate it. B by a 0 to a root over a square minus x square into x dx plus here b square by 2a square into 0 to a square minus x square dx. Multiplying both sides by minus 2, b by minus 2a, both numerator and denominator. This is a square minus x square whole power 1 by 2 minus 2x dx. B square by 2a square integral, you do integration here, a square constant integral dx is x. This is the x cube by 3 integral x square dx is x cube by 3 0 to a minus b by 2a. Here we use the formula. What that formula? Integral f over nx into f dash x dx formula. F power n plus 1 by n plus 1. F of x derivative f dash x. So you add power add 1 to power. So here power is n, so f power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This is the intermediate formula. Use that formula here. So we get a square minus x square whole power 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Limits 0 to a. B square by 2a square. Substituting upper limit a, here we get a cube minus a cube by 3, lower limit 0. 2 cancel, minus b by 3a. Substitute upper limit a square minus a square 0, minus lower limit a square whole power 3 by 2, a cube by 1. Here b square by 2a square, 3a cube by 3. Taking 3a cube minus a cube, 2a cube, not 3a cube, 2a cube. So minus and minus plus a cancel, a square b by 3 plus here 2 cancel, a square is also cancel, ab square by 3. Common ab by 3, we get ab by 3 into a plus b. This is your answer. Problem 11. Evaluate integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to root over 1 plus x square dy dx by 1 plus x square plus y square. Your solution is I is equal to 0 to 1, 0 to root over 1 plus x square. X is there, opposite variable y. First we have to integrate with respect to y, then with respect to x. That is the order. Now you write one more step here. Here integration with respect to y, x constant. You write 1 plus x square root over whole square. Root 1 plus x square whole square plus y square dy dx. The 0 to 1. This is integral 1 by a square plus x square mod. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by a tan inverse x means y by a means root of 1 plus x square. 0 to root over 1 plus x square dx. So integral 1 by a square plus x square dx formula 1 by a tan inverse x by a. This is your intermediate formula. Integral 0 to 1, 1 by root over 1 plus x square. Substituting upper limit. Instead of y, you write root of 1 plus x square, tan inverse 1. 1 plus root of 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square, tan inverse 1, minus tan inverse 0. Tan inverse 0, 0. So tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. 1 by root over 1 plus x square, tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. You common pi by 4 into 0 to 1, 1 by root over 1 plus x square dx, pi by 4. What is the formula? Log x plus root over 1 plus x square formula. This is also intermediate formula. Pi by 4, substituting 1 plus root 2 upper limit minus log 1. Log 1 is 0. So final answer is pi by 4 log 1 plus root 2. Pi by 4. Problem 12. Evaluate integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to root over 1 plus x square dy dx by root over 1 plus x square plus y square. What happened? Same problem, just small change. I is equal to integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to root over 1 plus x square. X variable is there first with respect to y. So root over 1 plus x square plus y square dy dx. Same as above model, but some difference is there. Look here. Now you write here 1 by root over root 1 plus x square whole square, a square model, plus y square dy dx. Same formula using above formula, logarithm formula, 0 to 1 log y plus root over a square plus y square. A square means 1 plus x square plus y square. 0 to root over 1 plus x square dx. This is equal to integral 0 to 1, substituting upper limit, log root over 1 plus x square plus root over 1 plus x square plus y square means 1 plus x square. This is the upper limit minus lower limit, log root over 1 plus x square, y0. Upper limit minus lower limit dx is equal to integral 0 to 1 log root 1 plus x square 2 into root 1 plus x square, root 2. So we get root over 1 plus x square, plus root over 2 into 1 plus x square minus log root over 1 plus x square dx is equal to 0 to 1 log root 2 into root of 1 plus x square, root 2 plus 1 root over 1 plus x square minus log root over 1 plus x square dx. 0 to 1 log m by n, root 2 plus 1 root of x 1 plus x square by root over 1 plus x square dx. Log m by n formula, log m minus log n, log m by n. Cancel. Log root 2 plus 1 constant, 0 to 1 dx. So log root 2 plus 1 into dx is x, 0 to 1. So final answer is log root 2 plus 1.